Welcome to the MGov Roadmap Track 3 module. This module is focused on shared resources. This is the core track for evaluating and improving government readiness. The focus is heavy on elements like sharing nationwide systems, such as the federal network, also known as FedNet, mobile payment, and mobile ID. The milestones in this track include mobile ID, mobile pay, TSM, Mobile Innovation Center, National Data Integration, Government Application Store, Develop Common Security Standards, and FedNet. Mobile ID is a key enabler for various mobile services, such as m-payments, banking, voting, etc. With mobile ID, there's an increased security risk with digital fraud. Several individual entities currently have authentication systems through the mobile ID. This enables them to use their government-issued identification card to authenticate and validate across multiple government services. This presents the potential for a shared service that many other services can tap into. Mobile pay is payment processes between two parties via mobile device. Nationwide m-payment system will allow entities to integrate mobile services into a national gateway without having to develop their own individual payment solutions. Users increasingly demand the kinds of services such as payments for toll roads, public transportation, parking fees, and even paying bills and fines. TSM, or Trusted Service Manager, is a neutral, independent entity serving in between service providers during payment transactions. This single point of contact is for providers to reach the customer base through a mobile network operation. This is a neutral, third-party area for secure transactions. Coordinates the interests of different players without interfering into business procedures, but it also ensures the security of user data. Mobile innovation centers play a vital role in the mGov and SmartGov transitions. Currently located at the TRA in Dubai is CODI, Center of Digital Innovation. This is just one example of a mobile innovation center. It's centered around research and development, and it provides a creative atmosphere for planning, innovation, training, knowledge dissemination, consulting, and even app testing. These services are currently offered for free to government entities for application testing in CODI. One of the most influential areas of achieving a successful mGov program is data integration. Data centers can be one nationwide government data center or a hybrid scenario with some data even handled by third-party vendors. This will require an intense effort by the PMO to ensure that all entities understand security risks and procedures for protecting data in a shared resource like a shared data center or in a shared space like the cloud. Data integration increases the need to treat data as categorical and systematic, which may be used and reused by many parties. Organizing data in this manner makes it much easier for all entities to access. In 2014, the UAE established the first national government application store. This makes applications available in a popular platform through a government portal which displays all government-approved applications. This provides a significant convenience for users to find the applications they want and use the most, and therefore provide this convenient access to government services. Because of data integration, this increases security risks across the nation. Developing a common security procedure and policy is vital to mGov and smart government success. The PMO must develop security directives and plans to collaborate on shared security risks. The security requirements involved in mobile technologies increase exponentially as the technology does. Government entities must adapt to the new mobile environment and the increased threats that come with it. Governments should develop a computer emergency response team, also known as a CERT, to address the multiple problems of digital security. Currently, the TRA has a CERT team in place that can be useful in case of a security breach. Federal Network, also known as FedNet, connects all government entities into one overarching network. Most federal government entities are not currently connected to one another. There are many interdependencies in performing ICT-related tasks which Federal Network can address. Federal networks create a robust network connection amongst all government entities, increasing the ability to share information and increase efficiency on tasks. This data sharing culture should adapt in order to make FedNet successful. There are many challenges around building such a collaborative approach in sharing data, but with the help of PMO, government entities can achieve this shared national resource. This ends Track 3 of the mGov roadmap.